my name is Anita Moore. I'm a decorative painter, and today I'm going to paint this cute little project. It's called The Inn, and it's done on an 8x8 wood panel. You can get them in any craft store available. Black-capped chickadees are my favorite bird to paint, and I look forward to teaching it. Let's get started. Okay, so I have my wood surface all prepped. I sanded it with a 100 grit sanding paper. We're going to be using the Eco Art Americana acrylic today, and I'm also using black gold brushes by Dynasty. And we're going to apply a coat of multi-purpose sealer using the Palmer brushes. These are great for base coating with mediums, varnishing. I just love these brushes. So let's apply a coat just on the top surface. I usually go along with the wood grain. I use long strokes. Okay, so now I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to resand, and I'm going to wipe down the dust particles by using a tacky cloth. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I sanded it. I used my tack cloth to remove dust at all times. I went ahead and used my sponge roller, and I applied a first coat with sand gray. And after it was completely dry, I took a sanding pad. It's fine. I sanded it and always removed the dust with your tacky cloth. So before we go ahead and apply the second coat, I want to apply a medium, which is drying time, so that it gives us a longer play time when you're blending for backgrounds. So I'm going to use my half wash brush. And I've also protected my surface by using a paper towel from in the back. I don't want puddles. I just want, this to be wet. Okay, so let's blend sand gray on the roller brush, and this will go on smoothly. So you can go in different areas. It doesn't have to be one direction. Okay, once you've found that you have fully covered it with the sand gray, I'm going to go ahead and pick up with Morning Mist. And I always just pick up from the end of the roller, and you're going to blend the two colors together on your palette paper. Make sure you got it all the way around. Okay, so I'm going to start from the outer edge using my outer roller, and I'm just going to blend in different areas and directions. And I'm going to apply at the top. I sometimes try and avoid like the center and one corner of the wood, just so that you can have like a little highlight in one area of the surface. Once you've found that you've fully blended with one color, I'm going to go ahead and pick up with neutral gray. again from the outer edge of your roller, and you're going to blend on the palette paper. I think I need a little bit more. I'm going to start again from the left side. And you don't need to add pressure. You're just going to lightly roll the roller. Okay, and once you're happy with the blending, you can stop. You're going to let it completely dry, and then use your sanding pad, sand it, and remove the dust. I'll be back.